Hello, my name is DEEP PATEL. I work as a cloud engineer at Rishabh Software. My journey began with RISE program. I joined as a trainee, was promoted as an associate cloud engineer, and I am proud to be working as a cloud engineer now. During 3.5 years, I am grateful for the opportunity that helps me to grow both personally as well as the professionally. I had privileges of working on both in-house and client projects. What I value most about the Rishabh software, it's not a technology or project. It's our people and culture. Here, no one walks alone. We learn, support, and to grow as one team. Whenever I face the challenges, my senior and teammates always ready to guide me, mentor me, and increase my confidence and my experience. I am sincerely grateful to this organization. It is not just a workplace, it is a community where everyone is grow, contribute and succeed together.